Hello, this is Barbara. I'm testing out Fieldtime's clothing by doing yoga. So I always love to start my routine by giving a stretch to my back and breathing into it. So stretching out this side of my arms is always nice. And then beginning to do a cat cow. And I can already feel all my back is stretching from all the way here to all the way to my tailbone, and it's so nice. And now I'm going to proceed exercising a bit of my both legs and arms by doing these stretches. And then this. And then the other side. 1, 2. And I can already feel the burn. And then now, I since we're touching upon these parts of our body, I definitely love doing this as well. So you open up your heart. This is a heart opener, and then you go this way. And the same on the other side. And then you this way. And that way you're stretching your back as well, but doing it with caution. And now that we finished that side, I like to go back to base and then probably also start thinking about the legs and do the same thing, but now I'm going to just twist my body and do this. And breathe into it. Same on this side. And then now, after I finish this, I love feeling the sensation of stretching out this part of my leg just by doing this. And then, so now I'm going to proceed with, some butterfly poses. Now that I'm at it here, in these part of my legs, it's nice to have the butterfly pose. It makes you more aligned in, your back, and then this, you're giving alignment to all your body without even realizing. And then now I'm going to move forward with the stretch of the legs. So now we're going to go to the next one, but before that, I guess I'll finish up with a plank, but facing upward instead of the plank back. This is a nice one as well. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.